Happy Monday everyone. I am so happy that you guys clicked on this video because in this video I am going to be telling you guys how you can fall in love with Monday. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and a happy Monday to you all. This video is going to be all about how you can enjoy your Mondays. Monday is a day where usually people are, like in a bad mood because it's Monday. It's back to school, back to office, back to work, and all of that sort. That also includes me. I sometimes tend to like take a break on Saturday Sundays, but on the other times I am working on Saturday Sundays as well. So but when it's school season, everybody hates Monday. Big list of what I have to do for today. Main goal for today is to make 2 content videos. Both of them are makeup looks transition videos, but I have to finish one that I already started and start the other one. So it's gonna be a mix. I'm gonna use the eye look of this one look and change it to something else. So if you guys can get the idea, I'm definitely going to be filming it for you all. Next important thing is that I have to upload an Instagram post today because it's been 3 days since I haven't posted and I post regularly. So third and most important thing is to upload a YouTube video which isn't completely edited. Last night I was working on it and my charging was almost dead, so I was like, I have to stop now and I can like start in the early morning. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. I have to do these 3 important things at all costs. Some of the other things that I wrote which I can or cannot maybe do. I really want to attend my dance class. If I can't, that's fine. But it's all about doing things which would make you feel okay, Monday isn't that bad. Also, I have to make a to-do list. I feel like let's just go with the flow and I'll show you guys what I do on Mondays like these. So yeah, let's just get up and get started. First of all, I'm just going to go make myself a warm cup of tea. I edited the video, it's complete and it just has to be uploaded. I'm so happy that I got it done, but I have a little headache and I'm a little worried because whenever I'm like having headache, my work gets like a little compromised because I'm not feeling my best. So I think I've been waiting for 20 minutes. I've been lying down. Also, I selected the transition songs, like the extra from my Instagram. I am so happy. I'm so excited. Today I'm doing 2 looks. One is like a normal Korean makeup with like a blue and pink eyeshadow, and the other one is like a whole graphic eye moment. It's white. So I'm really looking forward to these 2 looks. A cup of like a whole jar, a mug of normal temperature water to maybe feel better. I don't know, it's just the headache always gets in the way. I can tolerate any sort of pain while I'm working, but the headache part is a little bit troublesome because I can't concentrate. I'm so excited, honestly. It is the best. I love doing these video transition videos for you all. I just love making them in general also. So let's get started. Well, I have my laptop for the songs. Sky, please. Abhi maine aapko khana diya. Okay, so this is the stuff that I need. Maybe I'm gonna have to get some more, but these are the lines. This is the transformation for the first look, the lines, and this is the one that I'm going to be starting and doing right now. Plus I have my stand, so yeah, let's go. Yeah, before I start whole makeup situation, just to be on the safer side, and I just know that no, let's not be negative. I know that my headache will get better. Give me some relaxation and just like some ease. I'm going to be using this eye balm. This is really good for headache. We got this from a Thailand expo that was held in Islamabad somewhere, I don't know. So it looks like this and it always helps. It burns actually. If you apply it here, it burns. While it's burning, you kind of like forget the pain and you focus on that burn. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Just gonna take this much. Applied it here and instant burn. It feels good, honestly. It feels cooling and burning at the same time. So I think for today's look, I'm gonna have to skip foundation. I wasn't feeling like applying foundation anyways, so just wanna get the first XG video done because वो काफी टाइम से स्टार्ट की थी मैंने वो वाली मैंने उसे की थी थर्सडे को तो टुडे इज मंडे एंड I'm done with the transitions just for मुझे enough चीज़ दिखानी थी. So now I think we can get ready together and I can show you guys my makeup for the day because I think आज possible है get ready together. Well, I hope you guys can see these gorgeous eyes. I'm so self-obsessed. Anyways, I had to open the light, the big light, because the weather is suddenly changing and there's so much wind. Oh my god. Eyes look perfect. It looks perfect. Honestly, I love the eye makeup. We finish off the makeup look. I really want sunlight. Sunlight, please come back. We're done with the look. Ta-da! The final look is here. I finished the transition and I also finished another transition that I filmed for Instagram and it was a little one and I used like the diamond bomb filter for it and it was absolutely giving the eyes, the lips, these earrings, this ring, the nails, everything was dangling and it was so pretty, so beautiful. And I looked like a mess because I had my lunch and I hurt so much. It is currently 4:30 p.m. At least the pictures, the videos and the content turned out to be great. So that is what I live for, work and work. I'm so happy. Also this ring I recently got from a festival. I really like it. It looks so pretty. I got another nose ring but isn't the best of the best qualities. It started turning a little bit brown but it still looks pretty. But this ring is so pretty, honestly, look at it. Yeah, the beauty marks look really good. It's gonna rest for like 10 to 15 minutes and I'm going to remove this makeup and do the second and final look. I'm so happy. Plus the video is also edited. I have to upload it by 8 or 9 p.m. tonight. Okay, all makeup is still the same and I just removed the lipstick and I redid the braids because this is what I want for the next look. After the look braid and after that I applied the balm again. I had a cup of water and I took a nap for 15 minutes. I feel a little better but I just know that as soon as the light of like the ring light hits my eyes It's gonna hurt again. I want to just quickly get done with the look so I can relax. I am really tired and I still have so much to do for the day. You guys see all of these pins? This is going to be my hairstyle today because I've seen this really cool style and that goes really well with the theme of the next video that I'm about to shoot. So good luck to me. I was in the middle of doing my hair and I cannot wait for packages when they come over. I just have to open them ASAP. So I received my parcel. Let's open it together. I'd be highly disappointed if this thing, I know what it is of course, but if this isn't like how they showed in the picture, I'm gonna scream. This is very lightweight. When I tell you guys what it is, don't laugh at me, okay? Don't laugh at me. Okay. Okay. Alright. Now what the actual hell is this? Okay, I tell you guys, this was supposed to be a curtain. You guys see this? It's supposed to be a curtain and it was supposed to be two. You guys see this? It's supposed to be a blind. This is the pink to you all. I mean it is pink, but why in the world is it one? I ordered two. Y'all, the final look, it is currently 7 p.m. and I have a terrible headache. My eyes are hurting, my head is hurting, everywhere it's hurting. Just going to relax now, take off all my makeup, but the look is giving. I love this look, wow. The hair, the earrings, yes ma'am. I feel so much better now, but I had to take the medicine and I had food. I'm so blessed. So next I am going to be uploading this YouTube video. I uploaded my drafts quite some time ago and I just have to add the description and the tags, the sound and all of that sort. It's done 8:48 p.m. and this video goes up at 9 p.m. So I have to watch it quickly for it as well. So I'm just gonna fast forward it and watch it just to see if I have any mistakes in it. So that is the goal. Other than that, I am super excited because everything I ordered for my room has arrived. It's just that I have to go for shopping one more time, see if I find any more cute stuff because there are some things more in my wish list. Get them, it's gonna be really good, but if I don't, it's gonna be okay. I also have to get a stool for my vanity as well. So yeah, that is the goal. This is basically what I do on Mondays to make myself feel good. If there's university, I just go to university, come back and do, like stuff that I like or maybe complete my assignments, my homework. So I really hope you guys are enjoying this video because I have some things more for you guys. Okay guys, now it is time to make a weekly to-do list and I use Notion Digital Planner for it. Digital website since 3 months now. It's almost the start of the 4th month and I'm loving it. It just makes me, like super extra productive and I have a clear idea of what I have to do for the entire week. So it's pretty fun. You can add the colors and other things and just so much more. So this was my to-do list for the previous week. I added the orange and also you can add an emoji plus the wallpaper here. Yes, so I'm going to do all of that right now. I love pink so much. I'm going to make the theme for this week pink. Let's start with adding a pink bow emoji as my top front. And for the cover, I'm going to be doing something cool again. Also guys, I really want to go shopping. Like I'm dying to go shopping this one time and just finish it off because this is my problem. If I want something done, I would want to get it done. If I am sick or I am tired or I had a hectic day, I still want to get the thing done. This is my problem. I don't know, something is terribly wrong to me. Now it's time to add a new week, and the days are from 2nd September till 8th September. So thankful that I got the video uploaded. Frustrated. I thought I couldn't do it because of the headache, but so thankful. Because so let me just quickly add the things here and then we take some of them off for you. Did some writing and I have so much planned out for this week. Okay, so for today I had planned it out, but I just wrote it for like the sake of the digital planner. I wrote create 2 looks and upload a YouTube video, which both of them I did, and those are the basic goals for today. So for tomorrow I wrote upload an Instagram post and go shopping, edit a video and do the DIY. I'm filming this other video which related to summer DIYs. That would be decoration items for my room, so I'm doing that video. It's really fun, so I really wanted to do that. Some of it tomorrow as well, and the day after tomorrow. For Wednesday, I again wrote DIY, and it's a content creation day as well. Edit a video. For Thursday, it's simple upload a video. Also, something to notice that I always can add more stuff to it according to schedules, and if there's an urgent deadline, so I would always add some more stuff or whatever. Like at the end of the night I have to do this, I would just add it in here, or if in the morning I figure out some things that have to be done, I'll just add it. For Friday, it's another content creation day, and I also wrote relax because I often frequently forget to relax. On Sunday I set up upload a video, YouTube video, and I also wrote set cupboard because I really want to set my cupboard as well. I'm only focusing on like my interior design in my room. I have to clean inner design of my home, so these are the cupboards that I have. So I wrote upload a YouTube video, and I also wrote clean the fan and the upper walls. So upper walls, it always gets left out. So I have to do all of that. Let me show you all. Okay, let's start from the above. This is my main cover page. Why does my computer do that? Let me just increase. It only happens because of the brightness. Okay, so now it's clear. This is my beautiful cover page and the little bow for my happiness. Plus, this was my summer to-do list. I remember writing this line, and I am going to be super productive this summer. It feels like because of this manifestation writing, I have been productive all summer, honestly. I started it in June and it's September and I'm still really productive, like alhamdulillah. Okay, this is my beautiful page and my digital planner. It looks super pretty and I'm so happy that I made this to-do list. So yeah, that's it. Okay all, it is currently 11 p.m. and I was really tired today in the entire day, but still I managed to complete my work. Now I'm going to watch my comfort show and I'm going to be ending the day with this comfort show and my iced apple juice. I love it. Look at it. It just looks really appetizing now. So this show is not Healer because I just finished Healer again for like the 10th time. This is Welcome to Waikiki. I loved the season 1. I didn't start season 2 because like there were so many good serious dramas and I love the action genre, but this genre, specifically this drama, I currently last night started Welcome to Waikiki season 2 and I was laughing. I tell you guys, honestly this is my comfort stress show. Honestly, it is the best. I totally recommend you guys. You guys will be laughing throughout the season, throughout every episode. I really suggest this. अभी season 2 मैंने start किया, but I just have this feeling कि ये भी उतना ही मजे का होगा. The actors, especially Junki, I love this guy. have another drink right now and I'm going to do some of this work now. So guys, time to say goodbye. I was currently just editing a YouTube video that I want to upload tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. I'm not going to overwork myself. I say that every day. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye. I'm just gonna sleep now.